Are you looking for the perfect low-carb snack to satisfy your sweet tooth and feel amazing for hours? Well, now you can have your cake and eat it too. Try the perfect keto birthday cake bar. Every single bite of this rich and buttery vanilla funfetti cake satisfies even the strongest sweet tooth. I get really hungry in between meals, and especially at the end of the night, my sweet tooth is roaring. That's why I reach for these perfect keto birthday cake bars. They satisfy my sweet tooth, they don't spike my blood sugar, so I feel amazing, and they keep me full without feeling bloated. Like all perfect keto bars, these birthday cake bars are made from the highest quality ingredients, and they taste like a funfetti birthday cake. There's no fillers, no added sugar, no compromises. This bar is formulated with just the right amount of protein and fat, so you stay full and satisfied for longer, whether you're keto or not. There's 17 grams of fat from almond butter, cacao butter, and coconut oil. There's 13 grams of protein from grass-fed collagen, and only 3 grams of net carbs. This bar was formulated especially to minimize blood sugar impact, which means it doesn't give me brain fog and it doesn't give me fatigue like other bars do. This is our 6th flavor of perfect keto bars, and it was made with your sweet tooth in mind. It tastes like funfetti birthday cake with rich vanilla and smooth sweetness. Try them completely risk-free today. On the off chance that they aren't perfect for you, we'll give you 100% of your money back. These are melt in your mouth, put on your party hat, and smash the piñata good. Try the perfect keto birthday cake bars today.